Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. From smartwatches to stunning TVs, we've got the ultimate tech guide. Want to grab these gadgets early? Check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Apple Watch Series 9. This isn't just a smartwatch, it's a health and fitness powerhouse with groundbreaking features. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. Experience unparalleled sound quality and noise cancellation with these incredible headphones. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with this compact yet powerful drone. It's the perfect blend of portability and performance. Number 4. Samsung S9 5C OLED TV. Prepare to be amazed by the vibrant colors and stunning detail of this cutting-edge OLED TV. It's the ultimate home theater upgrade. Number 5. Nothing Phone 2. This innovative smartphone combines sleek design with powerful performance, setting a new standard for mobile technology. These are the best tech gadgets of 2025, offering incredible innovation and value. Don't miss out on the future of tech.